How to restore deleted highlights and featured collections on Facebook app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on your name, which will lead you to your profile. In here, you'll find your featured collection. I'll show you by deleting my featured collection. Click on delete, and then in your profile, you'll find three dots beside edit profile. Click on the three dots. In here, you'll find archive, which is the third option. Click on it. After that, in here, click on story archive at the top. And then you'll find all your stories. Click on it. After you've clicked on it, at the bottom right corner of your screen, click on highlight. Add save, add same title as before, which was deleted, and press on save. You won't be able to restore the deleted highlights, but what you can do is create a new one as same. This is how to restore deleted highlights and featured collections on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. If you have a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.